In our previous video, we looked at adding single-digit whole numbers. In this video, we will look at adding larger numbers when regrouping or carrying is not needed, and adding larger numbers when regrouping or carrying is needed. Let's look at adding when regrouping is not needed. Here we'll add 24 and 72. Starting at the right, we add our numbers in the ones column. 4 and 2 gives us a sum of 6. We place the 6 directly below the 4 and the 2 in the ones column. We then move to the tens column and add up the 2 and the 7, which gives us 9. We put the 9 in the tens column. Our total sum or answer is 96. Let's look at another example. 53 add 26. Again, we add our numbers in our ones column. 3 and 6 gives us 9, and we place that 9 directly below the 3 and the 6. Then we move to our tens column and add up the 5 and the 2. 5 add 2 is 7. We put the 7 directly below in the tens column. We have a total answer of 79. But what if we do need to regroup? Let's look at this problem here. 57 add 26. We begin the same way, adding our numbers in the ones column. 7 add 6 gives us 13. But the 13 is too large and doesn't fit in the ones column directly below the 7 and the 6. So what we need to do is regroup. Let's think of 13 as 1 10 and 3 ones. So we're going to leave that 3 in the ones column. We're going to move our 1 to the top of the tens column, representing 110. We then add that 1 that we regrouped to the remaining numbers in the tens column. So 1 plus 5 plus 2 gives us 8, and our total answer is 83. Let's look at another one. Starting the same way again, we add our numbers in the ones column. 2 plus 1 plus 5 gives us 8. We don't need to regroup there. So let's move over to our tens column, adding 7, 5, and 3, which gives us 15. So what we're going to do, because it won't fit in that tens column, is place the 5 in the tens column and regroup and place our 1 in the hundreds column. We then add up our numbers in the hundreds column. 1 and 2 gives us 3, for a total of 358. Again, with this problem, we're going to start by adding our numbers in the ones column. 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 gives us 17. We're going to place our 7 in the ones column and regroup and put our 1 in the tens column. Then we move over to our tens column and add our numbers together, including that 1 that we regrouped. 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 gives us 12. And we're going to have to regroup again. So following our pattern, we put the 2 in the tens column, and we're going to regroup and put our 1 in the next column over, in the hundreds column. Then we're going to move and add our numbers in our hundreds column. So 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 gives us 25. Regrouping, we're going to put our 5 in the hundreds column and our 2 in the thousands column. Then we need to add our numbers in the thousands column. 2 plus 1 is 3, for a total of 3,527. Let's look at one last example. Start the same way we have before, adding up our numbers in the ones column. 8 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 gives us 20. We need to regroup, so we place our 0 in the ones column and move our 2 up to the top of the tens column for regrouping. Then we're going to add our numbers in the tens column, including that 2 that we regrouped. So 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 gives us 19. We need to regroup again, so we put our 9 at the bottom in the tens column and regroup and put our 1 at the top in the hundreds column. Following our pattern, we're going to now add the numbers in the hundreds column. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8 gives us 14. Regrouping again, we place the 4 in the hundreds column and move our 1 to the thousands column. Now we just need to add our numbers in the thousands column. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Our total answer is 2,490. Thank you for watching this video on adding whole numbers. In our next video, we will look at applying our addition skills to calculating distances and more.